So I'm going to show you how to customize the always on display on your OnePlus 15. Go to settings and then go to home screen, lock screen and style. Tap on that and then scroll a bit and tap on always on display. Now, if you have the always on display enabled, you can actually customize the style. So you have modes first. So you have the classic mode, seamless mode, or full screen mode, and you can actually see what those look like. And then you can go to display settings, tap on that, and here you can customize the information on your always on display. So for a start, you can choose what info you want and what info you don't want from the always on display. For instance, if you don't want notifications, you can turn that off. If you don't want to show battery percentage, you can turn that off. Basically, just showing what appears on the always on display. And then also you can have contextual info. So it says show live alerts on always on display. You can turn that on if you want to. So you can have music playback and some live alerts. So maybe if you have some sports, you can go into actually settings. You have Google Maps, you have sports from Google if you've subscribed to your favorite sports teams and stuff like that. All this stuff can be included in the live alerts on your always on display. So you can go enabling and disabling what you want and what you don't want respectively. Now, you can also choose whether you want new notifications to show up on the always on display or not. So you have that button for that. And then you can choose whether the always on display shows in power saving mode. And also you can choose to schedule always on display. So for instance, there's no point in having always on display at night when you're sleeping. So you can choose that. You can schedule the always on display. Basically, that's how you can customize the always on display. Now you can also add some graphics on the always on display. So for instance, if you want that, you can go ahead and add it and tap on apply and even change the color. And basically you just add a little bit of graffiti on that always on display. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.